What's going on, guys? This is Devin here, and here we have a Bell Sanyo smartphone. So it's a flip phone. It's called the Katana LX. So we are going to be doing a scratch test on this guy here. So let's do it. Let's scratch the front panel here. So let's first take a look at it. We've got the camera, a speaker of some sort, probably for Bell logo, Sanyo logo. Volume, camera, charging port. Back, we got our Qualcomm 3G CDMA logo there, and then headphones. So let's just grab our overloaded kitchen knife and scratch it. Whoa! Be careful not to slice your fingers. Oh yeah, this one scratches way worse than the phone I just scratched. Wow, look at that. So this phone did not scratch. It scratched pretty bad, but it wouldn't scratch like that, really. Oh, really, it did. Didn't try it this way, though. Probably should have. Wow. It's pretty cool. So we got pretty noticeable scratching here. Scratch at that Bell logo. Nobody likes Bell. Especially if there's some pixie dust coming up. Alright, let's open it up here. Display's still working. It's fluttering a little bit. So, that could just be the camera. Well, actually, it was fluttering on my view. So, scratch the back here a little bit. Oh yeah. This one's way easier to scratching. Alright. This one did scratch a lot more. Still working. Won't be after we do the drop test with these guys, so let's see if these buttons work here. Shut up. Alright. That looks like all.